Hey, welcome back, guys. So today on this video, we are talking about your Weebly website, and more specifically, I'm going to quickly answer a question I keep getting a lot on my other video, and that is, how do you unpublish your Weebly website? So let's go ahead and talk about this. First off, guys, real quick video, not too many steps involved, so be sure to stick around to the end of the video. Why would you want to unpublish one of your Weebly websites anyways? Well, that's pretty easy. If you're running an online business and you're building your landing pages or small websites in Weebly, sometimes the offer is no longer valid, so you want to be sure to unpublish that website. Whatever the case is, it's a pretty easy process. It's handled here in your Weebly dashboard. Check my video description. I'll try to leave the written instructions there as well. I've already logged into Weebly dashboard, and this is the home screen. Now here on the home screen, if you want to unpublish one of your Weebly websites, here on the top left, you're going to go ahead and click on this drop-down menu, and you want to go ahead and choose the website that you'd like to unpublish. So for example, I'll choose this one. Once you've chosen, you're going to see this menu here on the left, and you want to click on website. Once you click on website, you're going to click on site preferences. Okay, once you click there, you're going to be in the site preferences menu, and you're going to scroll down until you see this section here, unpublish. Here in this section off to the right, you're going to see this blue unpublish button. Go ahead and click on there. Once you do that, you get this warning. Are you sure you want to unpublish your Weebly website? It will no longer be accessible to the public. If you're okay with that, click on unpublish. Okay, quick second later, the page refreshes. Now you can see this unpublish button is gray. So my website is no longer published through Weebly unless I go back into the editor and publish once again. So there you have it, guys. If you're wondering how to unpublish one of your Weebly websites, that's the easiest way I know how to do it. If you know an easier way, be sure to leave a comment below. Let the rest of us know how you did it. Hopefully you found that video useful. If so, click thumbs up or maybe consider subscribing to my channel, and I hope to see you on the next video. Thanks again for watching.